Hey guys, so I want to give you an opportunity to play around with Minecraft and see some of the tutorials that are already in it that might help you get a little bit better and more comfortable with using the tool. So once you log into Minecraft, you're taken to a screen that looks like this. This is where you just immediately jump in and play, but I'm going to show you how to access some of the tutorial worlds. So if you click on New and Featured, this obviously just shows you the new and featured stuff that's coming onto Minecraft. We don't necessarily want to see that. We want to see some of the basics and the tutorials. So I'm going to want you to go up here in the top right hand corner underneath your close button and click the whole home button. And it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. This is typically the default in Minecraft for education. We're going to click on, if you wanted, you have multiple worlds, they would be here. But if you view your library, what we're going to do is there's subject kicks for those of you that are science. You can look in here and you can see the various things. So, for example, if you're doing cells, there's cell projects in here, animal cell tour, eukaryotic cells, all kinds of different things, right? So, hit back one more time. The tutorials are outside of the subject kits. They're here in the how to play. Now, it's telling you how to play with a mouse and keyboard, but touchscreen such as an iPad or maybe, I guess, even the Chromebook. And there's some additional tutorials. For the most part, you and your kids are going to be using the keyboard and mouse. So we're going to click on here in the start, the keyboard and mouse. And there's a number of different things you can take, but I would recommend, at a bare minimum, try the movement. They should only take about 5 minutes each for one of these to complete. The movement has that WASD keys, so you can understand how to move around and how to look and all that type of stuff. The break in place shows you how to place bricks, so how you can go into your inventory and place a brick versus destroying a brick. And as a not a native to Minecraft, you're going to find that you break a lot more bricks that you mean to be placing than actually putting stuff down. And then finally do the interact one. So you learn how to interact with the worlds that are already previously existing. There's also a camera and portfolio function. Most of the kids could use that if they wanted to use a camera to take pictures of their world that they then put in their presentation to show that they did stuff. They could use that. They can also use their screen grab. And then chalkboards are right here. Chalkboards are kind of, think of it as like you could put directions on what you want them to do in the world on the chalkboards. And then finally, this tutorial is on the NPCs, which stands for non-player characters. So those are automated computer generated characters. So those are the tutorials. If you don't have all day, which I completely understand, I would just recommend the first three. That should be enough to get you going and get you to be able to manage yourself within a world. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. And as always, I'm happy to help. So if you guys would like to implement this, by all means, reach out and we'll figure a time where we can be there to implement it. I'll be there and you'll see how it works.